Last week, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics released its monthly report on employment conditions in February. Nationally, the unemployment rate remained unchanged at 4.1%. The major job growth was cited to be construction, retail trade, business services, manufacturing, financial activities, and mining. In February, construction employment increased by 61,000, with gains in specialty trade contractors of 38,000 and construction of buildings 16,000. Construction's added about 185,000 jobs over the past 4 months. According to the NAR chief economist Lawrence Yun, this news could trigger interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve in 2018. Because of the low unemployment rate, this could be more than we originally thought. In some areas around the country where they're experiencing low inventory levels, rate hikes may affect housing affordability. Factors that can help with affordability are more income to households, such as possibly a second income earner getting a job and home prices maintaining a slow, steady growth. In order to see slower home prices growing, more new home construction is necessary. According to the February jobs report, those job openings remain at historic highs. But now they may be facing a shortage of applicants with the necessary skills the construction industry seeks. Locally, we have new home construction happening in several areas and are seeing an influx from the Bay Area to our more affordable inland communities. Now, we're minding your own business. One of the big benefits of being a member of the California Association of Realtors, CAR, is the weekly infographics. Go to the CAR.org website and search for One Cool Thing. Here they have great videos you can use, but they also have infographics. Each week they publish a new one that you can download and use on your website or in your social media. Infographics are a great way to explain complicated processes visually, and they can be a challenge to create on your own. Go through their archives. They've got some great stuff. Find a few that are relative to you and schedule them into your social media posts. Check it out. You'll want all of them. They're great. That's this week's Real Estate Insider Weekly. Thank you for joining me again. Have a great week.